Pastor Day po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong 4 na pastor kasi kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ko po makikilala si Lord at hindi po ako magiging Christian. Maraming salamat po sa inyong 4 na pastor. We love you to all. We love you to all. We love you all sa inyong pastor. Thank you po.
To our dearest pastors, maraming salamat sa support, sa pagmamahal, and sa prayers po. Gusto lang po namin sabihin na na-appreciate po namin kayo sobra. And we are truly blessed po na kayo po yung pastor na. Maraming salamat po.
I love you so much. Thank you for the lahat. Kayo yung pastor natin. I love you po. Bye-bye.
We love you, sisters.
Charito! Happy Pastors Day! Hi, mga gorgeous and godly pastors namin. We're so blessed to have you in our lives. Kami ng mga members nyo, particularly ako, very proud and very happy to have you kasi yung diligence ninyo, it's there, yung passion ninyo, yung dedication, and definitely, God is so amazed of what you are doing in your life and your passion towards sharing His words. And kami rin, super delighted. Once again, Happy Pastors Day. Take it away, Tita Rose.
Yes po, thank you po. We are so blessed na may pastor po kami na anak. Thank you po.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Diyos Ama na binigyan kami ng tapat na naglilingkod sa salita ng Panginoon to guide us patungo sa kaligtasan. Salamat po. Again, Happy Pastors Day! Bye!
Rito, Happy Pastors Day! Hello, Pastor Glenn. Thank you very much for being our senior pastor. We are grateful and we have a wonderful and amazing pastor and handsome, and pastor, you're so very industrious. You are so good, and you always sacrifice by teaching the Word of God. We thank you so much. We love you, and thank you so much. I love you, Pastor. And our Pastor Rian, Sister Grace, Pastor Grace, Pastor Jonathan, thank you so much. We have an inspiring pastor and wonderful pastor, Pastora, and amazing pastor. And we have also handsome pastor, Pastor Jonathan. We thank you in your life because we receive the message of Christ. We always grateful that the message of Christ we receive. We are so blessed and highly favored. Thank you. We love you, pastors. Charito. Happy Pastors Day. Thank you so much. We love you all.
Charito morning po sa lahat po ng aming mga pastor, sa lahat po sa tawag po sa inyo. Pastor Grace and Brother Jack, thank you. Salamat din sa lahat po ng mga brother mo. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you po, dear pastors, CCG pastors. Maraming salamat po for your good leadership and unwavering dedication. Salamat po sa lahat ng prayers and support. We love you all. Happy Pastors Month! You are blessed. You are loved. You are Charitos. You are Charito.
Happy Pastors Appreciation Day. Thank
thank you din po ka rin kaya kayo sakripisyo, lalo na kami. Pamilyada rin kaya kaming pastors, ka rin asawa na patuloy na minintindi at lalawakan ka rin pangunawa ka rin ng members yun na alimuking pamag-advise na magiging adultong din dakala salamat na nilaan ni kaya kayo din king pamag-preach na ng gospel lalo na po pa dinamisikan katawan kaya kami dideklara at bless na kayo pa mga Lord. Sungang kaya katamo ingang biyaya at pabor maningin dakala salamat kaya kayo din.
Salamat Gengin o Gino na binyay de po kaya yun. Binyay na kayo po kaya kami Lord. Binyay na kayong Lord kaya kami. Takal salamat kay Yeyo, ang ate ni, na Pastor Grace, kang Pastor Rian, kang Pastor Glenn na maging kaluguran ni, maging tatang ni, maging advisor ni, kang Pastor Jay na maging mo rin na kalakasan, maging kaluguran ni, maging pastor ni. At patuloy na dadalangin ni na patuloy na kapandinasikan ng physical katawan ni Gil. Thank you, karang-karang pastor.
We are sure. Take 2 million.